In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Google Slides. Whether you want to give your presentation a fresh look or simply personalize it, updating the slide background is a simple yet impactful way to do so. First, head over to Google Slides, open your preferred web browser and type in Google Slides to find the link. Once there, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This step is essential because Google Slides is part of Google Workspace, which keeps everything tied to your account and easily accessible. Now that you're signed in, navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll find all your existing presentations and options to create new ones. If you're starting fresh, click on Blank Presentation. If you have a particular style or purpose in mind, consider choosing one of the many templates Google offers to make your work easier from the start. Once your presentation is open, select the slide you'd like to update. Then, look toward the top toolbar and click on the Background button. A small window will appear with two main options, color and image. If you choose color, you can pick from a palette of preset colors or click on Custom to create a color that fits your specific needs. Sticking to your presentation's theme colors can help maintain a cohesive design. If you prefer a more dynamic background, click on Image. You can upload an image from your computer or use Google's image search to find the perfect picture. You can also access images from your Google Photos or Google Drive, giving you plenty of options. Once you've selected or uploaded your image, click Done to apply it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background of your Google slide. Updating backgrounds can create a compelling visual narrative and keep your audience engaged. Feel free to experiment with different colors and images until you find the perfect match for your presentation. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you now feel confident customizing your Google Slides presentations. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.